Make sure you have the DLC, of course. So as you can see, it's quite a beefy file, but it's okay. Let us just wait for the download to complete. Okay, my friends, after downloading the mod, you will have these files. And now we just need to set everything up. So in terms of the essential files, you need to also move your Elden Ring executable to this folder with Convergence mod, right? Otherwise, the game will not start for you. So for that, you just go to your folder where you have the game installed. In my case, it's, as you can see, F drive, Steam library, and then go to this game folder, and here's the executable. Just copy it and paste into this file, into this folder with files of the mod. Also, guys, of course, make sure to download the mod itself not into the folder with the game, but to any other folder, for example, into your desktop. So never download this mod into the folder with your Elden Ring game. After that, you just double-click the Convergence, start the Convergence mod, or you can also launch your Seamless Coop easily. I will show you how. All right, so as you can see, we have this Seamless Coop folder, but it's not the folder we need. You just double-click this ERC launcher, and this will launch your Seamless Coop along with Convergence mod together.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel.